Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add products from Alibaba to Shopify or how you can dropship Alibaba products on your Shopify store. Now, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step, of course. Now, I'm going to do that right now. And after, guys, you log in into your Shopify. As you can see, I'm now on my Shopify dashboard, as you can see here. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. After that, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now it will take you guys directly to Shopify App Store. Okay, just choose the account here. Now it will take you directly, like I said, to your Shopify App Store. Now what you guys need to do, you want to search for Alibaba. Okay, and you will find here a lot of apps that will help you do dropshipping, or that will help you import or add products from Alibaba to Shopify. Now all these apps will help you guys dropship Alibaba products or add products from Alibaba to Shopify. Just choose which app you like. So the one I like the most here, it's called Importify Easy Dropshipping. As you can see, grow dropshipping, grow a dropship products with like AliExpress, Alibaba, Etsy, Deezers. Now you just need to click on the app. Okay, now after that you want to click on install, and after that you just need to install again the app. Now if you are wondering why you don't see here Alibaba like official app on App Store, they removed it. Okay, if you are wondering why they removed it, I don't really know. Like if someone knows, let us know that in the comments. Okay, so I don't know exactly what happened. So they removed the app completely. It's like the official app of Alibaba from Shopify App Store. Anyway, so this app will help you just import products from Alibaba to Shopify. Now just to click on like confirm, just click again on install. And keep in mind that this app only offers you 1 day free trial. So if you don't like the app, make sure you delete it before 1 day ends or before free trial ends. Okay, so just click here. I'm going to select the basic, which is the $14 per month. Click on select. After, guys, you click on select, you just need to click on approve. So like I said, this app only gives you 1 day free trial. So what you guys need to do now is you want to open a new tab and search for Importify Extension. Now you just need to download the Importify Extension, okay, so that it will help you like import products from Alibaba. Now this is it. Click on the first result, and as you can see, this is the extension. Click on add to Chrome, and then click on add extension. Now after, guys, you click on add extension, make sure you pin it in the top. Okay, just click on the extensions icon in the top right, and then you want to pin it. Okay, click on this pin icon here or button, click on it. All right, now what you guys need to do, you want to go to Alibaba and search for any products. Okay, so it can be like makeup products. For example, I'm going to search for makeup, and I'm going to, for example, let's say, okay, so first you will have to like add here the minimum order. You would just need to add here 1. Okay, so that's like it will not select products that are not yet, like, you know, not in stock yet. So you just need to like add here 1, so that Alibaba will show you only products that are in stock. Okay, so that you want to find, and then after you start, you want to find a product that you want to import to your Shopify. Click on it. After you are on the product page, you want to click on the extension in the top, and then click on import now. After that, then you want to make some changes to the product if you want. For example, you can make some changes to the title. I'm going to change the title to a smaller one. Now here you can also change the description, like the images. Here the images, you want to click on select all, so it will like select all images. After that, just scroll down a little bit and click on add to your store. Now this exact product will be imported to your own Shopify store. You want to go now to your Shopify store, and then you want to click on products, and as you can see, this is the product. I'm going to show you the product right now. Yeah, this is it. Okay, now we have imported this product from Alibaba to Shopify, as you can see. Okay, so Now that's exactly, guys, how you can add products. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so just let me know in the comments what questions you have. I reply to everyone. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.